Here's your perfect family weekend in San Antonio, Texas, from Friday to Sunday. Kick off your weekend at Yanaguana Garden at Hemisfair, a gorgeous urban playground right in the heart of downtown. Your kids will go crazy for the interactive splash pad and rope climbing structures, while you'll love the musical instruments and shaded seating with skyline views. Just a heads up, bring a change of clothes, because even if you don't plan on it, the water features are absolutely irresistible. Just a short walk away is Tierra, Café y Panaderia, a San Antonio institution that's been serving Tex-Mex since 1941. The colorful decor and festive atmosphere will keep your kids entertained while you enjoy enchiladas and fajitas. With over 24,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, this place clearly knows how to please families. Cap off Friday night at La Panaderia, just down the road from dinner. Their fresh-baked Mexican pastries and hot chocolate will have everyone fighting over the last concha. Start Saturday at the famous San Antonio Riverwalk, just a few blocks from your hotel. Your kids will love spotting turtles and fish from the bridges, and the narrated river barge cruise gives everyone's legs a rest while learning about the city's history. Pro tip, head to the Museum Reach section for fewer crowds and better wildlife viewing than the busy downtown stretch. After a couple hours of exploring, you'll be ready for lunch. Yard House is literally right there on the Riverwalk, making it super convenient. With over 100 menu items, including a solid kids menu, even your pickiest eater will find something they love. After lunch, it's just a 2-minute walk to the Alamo, where Texas history comes alive. Your kids can explore the iconic limestone church where the famous 1836 battle happened. Check out authentic weapons and artifacts in the Long Barrack Museum, and wander the beautiful courtyard gardens. Best part? Admission is completely free, and you'll spend about 90 minutes to 2 hours here before heading to dinner. End your Saturday at Boudro's on the Riverwalk, just around the corner from the Alamo. Their tableside guacamole is made fresh right at your table, which kids think is pretty cool, and the riverside patio offers beautiful views as the sun sets. Sunday morning, head back to Hemisfair for some relaxed playground time and let the kids burn off energy at the splash pad. The wide-open green spaces are perfect for a picnic breakfast or just running around before your big afternoon adventure. Finish your weekend at Morgan's Wonderland, about a 20-minute drive north. This incredible 25-acre theme park is designed so kids of all abilities can play together, with wheelchair-accessible rides like the Wonderland Express train, an accessible Ferris wheel with climate-controlled gondolas, and the off-road adventure vehicles. Plan to spend at least 4 hours here because there's so much to do, from the sensory village to the butterfly garden, and it's the perfect way to end your San Antonio family weekend. Get the full itinerary with exact addresses, hours, and directions at yopki.com. Your perfect San Antonio family weekend is waiting.